Restricts, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya mabobo so nyina. Eno ne ye set Kinaata 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mo a, emma wo hode sonkoma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Eno ane sa wo benum bi, wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen kwankwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I hear. What feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah!
Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofa sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.
Adeshimai my mama kwa ba de ba Ghana TV eso e breadru sesam hodo ya bobwa no ye de ebe so mo kase bokwanso we ye kase bote wo hwa me live on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Sanani de di kan ya wo hwa me subscribe. For say team don so se be ya de betu obi an kwa yesa fe no obi share ma won sabe kan nyina wase ase like na share ema afofro so entimi enhwe bi. Me amaje peni ya me de kase boy ebe so mo me da che hema Ajoa nati na ye mura ensem no enwe ene dey Aisha wan ekopie mu wo court China ni na wo ba Ghana ebe tu fam agudie wo kwanbone so na emre bi ya twa mu ya che na ye ne kata so mu aso ye pia na tikọ ede ne ko ni kuro mu no a wo san so ye senya na nti ye se wasan abepie mu wo mayi mu a wo san etu fam agudie no ai aposifo ensa kano ema wotwere aposifo kukumu nene okopie mu wo asɛmdibia okopie mu wo court nene pia okopie mu wo court ne de na rahu yie pa enka ne wo court edru ne da wo be court okopie mu wo court ne ho denden de ba enadie Aisha hwan kopie mu wo court no oti ni su ankasa na chese wo hwe cha na ni a oti ni su na enye asem ketwa wo mwani nketinkiti na wasan edit ni su a emobo yie pa na abra na court di na asem wie ya chese wo pie free court dem mu na ye ensamtro for any ne lawyer Aisha hwan lawyer wo mo bo modin aben na ne twe nkomo twetwe nkomo bi essay.
So it's been an hour of engagement already, and the case between the Republic and Aisha One has just ended. We'll be getting the details for you, but we understand that her case has been adjourned to the 14th of November 2022. That's on Monday. That's when she's supposed to reappear. We'll now get a brief of what happened in.
So we had Aisha One in court. She was there personally. We had the first prosecution witness give her his evidence in chief, Assistant Superintendent of Immigration Ruben Ransford Abrabra. He gave a narration, a rundown of how they eventually ended up with Aisha One. He told the court how he led a team of 6 other immigration officers to a Galamsey mining site at Bipon Tinting in the Obuasi Amansia West area. Essentially, Aisha One herself was not physically present at the site when they arrested the other Chinese nationals. We are told that the information that was given by the persons who were arrested on site was what led to the arrest of Aisha One. There was an interpreter who was present in court, and that was what actually facilitated today's hearing. And from what we have seen, this is about the only hurdle that could have delayed this case.
Now, finally, let's talk about the bail.
Yes, the judge gave some reasons. First, let's start with the lawyer, Captain Retired Nkrabea Fadate's argument. He, in trying to convince the court, said that this same person had been before this same court in 2017. She was not in custody then. She submitted herself to the court process to the point at which it was truncated by the state itself. And so that is credibility enough to the person of Aisha One that if you grant her bail, she's not going to escape the long hands of the law. She's going to submit herself. But the court saw different reason in this, that Aisha 1 is a foreigner, number one. She has no links within the jurisdiction, whether social connection, whether any other connection that you may think about, she doesn't have within the jurisdiction. And so it is difficult to tell whether or not she would escape, she would submit herself to the prosecution once she's given or granted the bail. So based on that reason, again, the bail was denied. And we heard the lawyer say that, well, he was embarrassed by that. He really was hopeful, but the court thinks otherwise, and so he obliges.
Today was very good in court. The Attorney General brought a witness, an immigration officer, who came to say that he has no personal independent information about my client, Aisha 1, being connected with illegal mining. So I liked it, so I'm okay.
I mean, once again, your application for bail was turned down. I mean,
once again, unfortunately, my application for bail was turned down. And I felt very embarrassed, but it's one of the nuances of the game. The law gives us the opportunity to repeat application for bail as often as possible, except that looking at the demeanor of the judge, it might not be a useful exercise. I may fail. She has been in custody since her arrest, and anytime application is made for bail, she is turned down. Naturally, every human being would react in the manner she did. I felt sorry for her. And it is not a pleasant thing to be in prison.
Na chese wo hwe nkomodidie mu na de course wo ho na utimi hu se Aisha wa ho kire ne pa chese wade fiase ama ono angase we hu se yes ne ho kire no Canadian na eba ya ne katasu mu asu piapia ne ti kwode ne ko ni krom no this time we nya obi bese this time se si ya no we nya ne sa biem a chese ono ahu se be bia dru ne de age nyankopon ebe mu Aisha wan hwe enimu se ni manimi ya ne lawyer betimi aboama yetimi eyi no we ne nsama hodo a ye boaboa no ewo asem dibia ene Aisha hwan ekopie mu ewo court. Ebusia ha na brama kwan ema yede kasebo no ebesi mi ameje pene amede kasebo yi ebesomo eye meda chehema ajuwa nati asida kese enkwama glitter and glow skin care for afeiti natet herbal na Janelle organic food asida edi hobio mu so enkwama me production crew wa woje bra wo hwe me so meda ase
surprise. Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure.
Hey, and let you besi. Ain't you want to make a on me?
Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being chill. Kinaata venicano. So we use what? A CSC ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obey moi. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Kinaata Venicare.
Kinaata Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.